Hi, my name's Charlie, and through Author Solution UK, I've just published a book called Mimi the Magpie. And all I can say is that it's been a pleasure working with the team, including Youha Oliver, project manager, and Jerry Stevens, publishing consultant. And also Ava, who has created some beautiful illustrations to go alongside the manuscript, which I'm very happy with. I'm a first-time author and had slight trepidation of starting a book and completing it, but with the help of Author Solution UK, it has given me a lot of confidence, and they have been excellent at guiding me through the publishing journey. I would recommend Authors Solution UK to anybody who's thinking of publishing their first book or who wants to publish another book. They've been very supportive and kept me in the loop with the process, and overall it has been an amazing experience, and I look forward to my book being published.